Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs Gordon Ramsay. Start with cold water, cover eggs by 1 inch, and bring to a gentle simmer. Once simmering, set a timer for 9 minutes for perfect texture. Prepare an ice bath while eggs cook to stop carryover heat. Use a slotted spoon to transfer eggs to ice, then peel under running water for clean shells and neat presentation. In this video, I will explain how to make hard-boiled eggs Gordon Ramsay. Choose a medium saucepan and arrange eggs in a single layer for consistent heat. Fill a bowl with ice and cold water so the ice bath is ready when the timer ends. Bring refrigerated eggs to room temperature for about 10 minutes to help prevent cracking. Keep a slotted spoon and a timer nearby to streamline the process and avoid mistakes. In this video, I will help you make hard-boiled eggs Gordon Ramsay. Gently lower eggs into simmering water and maintain a gentle simmer throughout cooking. Time 9 minutes for firm whites and creamy yolks, then remove eggs promptly. Plunge eggs into the prepared ice bath to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Tap and roll eggs to crack shells, then peel under running water for neat results and less sticking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.